He's great. Oh, look at that. He's bloody clever. Oh, that's definitely going in the shot.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that. He's bloody, he used to play for one of these soccer clubs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. This week we have Vanlife fueled by apple juice. That's right, you heard it right. We have a special guest, Carlos, from the longest country on the planet, Chile. Carlos is going to explain how you turn apples into fuel. So it's time to fill the Renault Master up with this secret ingredient, apple juice. That's right, apple juice, that's what you're seeing there. That's the whole message in this whole video, is how do you turn apple juice into fuel? So, Carlos, let's kick this interview off.
Yeah.
You've agreed to an interview, so I'm thanking you heaps for that.
Thank you.
So where are you from?
I'm from Chile, in South America.
Chile, South
Longest
America.
country in the world.
The what?
Longest country in the world.
Longest
from
country.
North to south.
North to south, the longest country in the world, everyone. Just learn a bit of geography then.
My goal in this travel is not get money, but like there's a lot of money for doing a really stupid shit, you know, like
Yeah.
you have to just pick apples. And they
Yeah,
give you,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
Like, I don't know, it's 1.5 grams per week for doing that.
How
So
many apples did you eat while you're picking them?
enough to get tired of it.
Beware of scams. There are scams in fruit picking.
I tell you, for $4,000 a week, someone else can do this show, and I'm coming your way for a bit of sunshine and normal life. I just couldn't believe when I saw that sort of salary, and you can't get workers.
Now that scam involved $4,000 a week for fruit picking strawberries. If you ever pick strawberries, you'll know your back will be broken in no time. So if you want to fill the apples into the tank, stick with apples. Stick with the good fruit where you get the good prices. So welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life from the Sunshine Coast. You heard of Noosa Beach. Well, you head down Hastings Street, head north along Hastings Street. You'll come into the National Park section. Keep going till you hit the Noosa River, and we'll be in Noosa Woods, and you can enjoy a nice, beautiful spot that even has a doggy beach. That's right, it has a proper doggy beach. Now, the council rules are the dog has got to be on a lead until you get to the doggy beach, and then you can take the dog off the lead, and the dog's running around having an absolute ball. I hear there's a 10-foot flathead in here, mate. Oh, you hear that? I don't know about 10 foot. I think William Powerfish, he's out here catching it. You ever heard of him? Oh, you'll know if you see him on around here. Fishing line and tackle here. So if you run out of tackle, go to one of these bins and see if you can find yourself a hook, line and sinker. Now for a lovely drive through the rainforest at the end of Hastings Street, Noosa, and you will find yourself a park, and you can begin your day at Noosa Woods. So here we find Carlos's red van, parked up, tail to the water, awesome view. So you can swim your dog here. So Noosa Woods, there's a little bit of a, I think it's a dog beach, or it's a self-made dog beach at the moment. And so Carlos has been fruit picking and travelling around Australia now for 5 years. 5 years on apple juice. Unbelievable. So how old are you, Carlos?
34.
34, so you're still a young bloke?
You think so?
Yeah, for sure. You wait till you get to my age, mate. Have you found Australia safe? Do you think it's safe in Australia?
Super safe, man. It's like it's a joke. Like you can just, I don't know, when I'm cooking and I want to go to the toilet or whatever, like I just leave everything open. And just go. Like you know, like you don't know, maybe you don't realize how lucky you are.
Yeah.
For doing that, like in South America, you can't.
You can't do it. It's gone.
I
Oh, that's great, isn't it?
Yes.
And what do you think of our wildlife? Like we've got a few things here can hurt you.
Yeah, no,
We've got a few snakes and sharks and
yeah. I mean, snakes and spiders or something.
Yeah.
Like something I always am aware of. But for me as a surfer, the sharks is the most.
Yeah, we've got a few of them. When you go up north, you've got to be even more scared.
Of the crocodiles. I've been in the north a couple of times.
Do you realise there are thieves around here though?
What?
There's signs to say beware. There's.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
It's not.
Because too much of South
No.
Americans.
People are really prejudiced. They blame humans for stealing stuff, right? You know what's stealing the stuff?
The birds.
The bloody bush turkeys. They're pinching people's bait on the beach. They're going through picnic hampers and they're going through their bags and pinching stuff.
I've seen it.
I've caught them. And I was going to arrest a few. I've caught a few here today because they need to be profiled better. Because, the humans are taking the rap for the bush turkeys around here.
This thing, no.
What was that about the bush turkeys?
They take all my mud, man. Like, I bring it from Chile, now it's empty, man. These guys, like, they don't respect anything, not even tourists.
I know.
I'm from a poor country, man. I came with my mother to just bring here, like, to have a good view from the sunset. And they take everything, man. No,
Yeah, on behalf of Australians, we apologise for our bush turkeys, mate.
You in part of the world, like the of the species. I don't know, man. Like I know.
Yeah, I know.
No, I'm very soft now.
Well, there's big signs around. You got to read the signs that says "Beware of thieves."
I could be aware
of
thieves. I'm from South America, but I thought that human thieves, no bird thieves.
Yeah, no, they're two-legged thieves, but they're not humans. And the magpies, you said the magpies?
Yeah, no, those motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Tell me about it when you were in bicycle.
Yeah, but you know the most dangerous thing, and it's probably around the world, the most dangerous animal or being? No, mosquito.
Mosquito.
Because of malaria and all that, all the, dengue fever.
Yeah.
They're probably
one who kill most people is a mosquito.
The mosquito. Out of all those things. So after a big day picking apples, you can go and have a swim in the ocean. Carlos goes back and relaxes in his van. There's his surfboard. Bit of a tour here. There's national flag, and gee, he's got it all set up very nicely. There's the inside of the van, very colourful. And there we have some fruit pickers in action. That's what Carlos was up to. That's how you make the money, to make the apple juice, to fill the van up, to travel around Australia with.
Yeah, like I'm moving around. Like I've been here a lot.
Yeah.
It's a really good spot for looking the sunset.
Yeah.
But the waves are not so good.
The waves, yeah. Not at the moment. They will be during summer. You're in the winter swell. The winter swell's smaller.
Yeah.
See, Carlos has got his beautiful board up there, ready to...
I painted by myself.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. And what do you think of Noosa Woods?
I've been here a lot. Like I used to live last winter here.
Yeah.
Cool, but I'm living a camper life with like backpackers, So I'm moving around all the time.
Yeah.
I used to live here for kind of 3 or 4 months, and then I moved to Byron Bay.
Yeah.
But I've been doing this for 5 years now.
Yeah.
So I've been living like, I don't know, Margaret River, Perth.
Oh, Margaret River and Perth, yeah.
Sydney, Cairns, and I'm actually going up north to Cairns.
Yeah.
I will actually leave after this interview.
You can follow Carlos at Gato FTV on Instagram.
Really need it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
There's some other like setups where they just have this thing open,
Yeah, and you can escape there if you really need to. You can jump out there.
Yeah, I think about
an emergency. Yeah.
Luckily, I've never had to do it.
Nah.
This is the thing.
Oh, gotcha.
It's not marijuana.
Yeah. Well, let's
mate. It's like a South American kind of tea, which has
a lot
of caffeine.
Called mate.
Mate. Yeah.
Mate.
Exactly.
South American tea.
Yeah, and it has like a special way to drink it. Like you just like share with more people.
Yeah.
And it's different. Like it has a lot of caffeine, but you just drink like one small shot.
Yeah.
And then you pour hot water again on it. And then you usually you share with more people. Then one guy who is pouring the water with a thermo, and then like passing the thing out, and then you have to give back to the guy who's pouring.
Oh, okay, real communal. I actually, you know what? At first, I thought that's different. That's all, because I've never ever tasted that flavour before, and I could see where I could actually enjoy it. So yeah, no, I don't dislike it. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
But it's like I don't know. You can say this in English, but it's like a acquired taste.
acquired taste.
It's
That's
not
right.
something that you can drink
Yeah,
and instantly. Instantly, it's kind of like
yeah,
something that you have to drink for some time and
yeah,
add the like
yeah,
and also because caffeine is like a little bit addictive
yeah,
as the coffee is.
yeah,
You know, like when the people start to drink coffee and they drink
yeah,
like five, I don't know, three per day for
yeah,
5 days, then they wake up and one day they don't have the coffee and they feel like
yeah,
they need something.
yeah.
So it happened the same with this.
Oh, because it does give you a lift. I can feel it. I'm a bit
Yeah.
more awake.
You
Yeah.
go, you go to the toilet alone.
Ah. And so, what attracted you to van life, Carlos?
Because like I have the freedom as fuck, like I can do whatever I want.
That's terrific.
I just like need to work a little bit, a couple
Yeah.
of months in one place, and then I save some money, and I can just afford for the
Yeah.
petrol and just move it around. For example, at this moment I arrived to Sydney. I
Yeah.
landed in Sydney, and it was too cold, so like felt too cold, and I just go into Cairns because it's
North
warmer.
of yeah.
Whatever I want. I can wake up here, and if I want to go to surf tomorrow to Byron, I will do it. So
Yeah. Okay. Give us a little shout out to your friends in Chile in your language.
Nada, vénganse a Australia a vivir esto, a pasarlo bien, a compartir, a disfrutar de este invierno. Mira, look at the other way. Estamos en invierno, pleno invierno. Y aquí se comparte, se surfea. Bienvenidos todos, quien tenga dudas escríbame o escriba Stay Awesome. Y ahí nos vemos. Thank you.
Thank you, Carlos. Absolutely unreal interview, mate.
Into my mind, you go down to my heart. Never be the same, never be the same, never be the same. And just like a ghost,
Thank you, Carlos, for an absolutely awesome interview. Stay awesome.